Before beginning assembly, make sure you have all your parts and hardware. Please note, do not fully tighten the screws until the chair is fully assembled. Loosely fastening the screws during assembly will help to ensure the screws will align with the screw holes. Only fully tighten the screws after the chair has been fully assembled. Use the included connecting bar to connect the right and left SLED base. Attach the connecting bar to the base frames using the included SLED base screws. Place the seat cushion under the frame. With a Phillips screwdriver, tighten the screws. Your arms are labeled right and left. Align the screw holes on the armrest with the screw holes on the seat cushion. Repeat this process to attach the second arm. Align the screw holes on the armrest with the screw holes on the backrest. Now firmly fasten all your screws gradually in an alternating cross pattern. Place the caps into the screw holes. You're now ready to enjoy your new chair.